Kung kanina Dexter Vilas be issue bye-bye nato na interview na liwat kay Raymond Negros, magna cum laude, okay, Leyte Normal University. Dati kaya pa ko ito na nag-eskwela ilinyo. Okay. Kurso nga Bachelor of Science,
Secondary Education.
Bachelor of Secondary Education,
Major in
Mathematics. Okay. Kakano ka nag-graduate?
This year lang po, 2024.
This year, okay. Di pa ano mo nakuhaan magna cum laude? Nag-ano ka?
Actually, it comes with a lot of preparation po. Bali, talagang puhunan ko dito yung puyat, yung sabi pa naman na perseverance. Actually, it was a collaborative effort po naman. Kasi hindi ko siya magagawa ng mag-isa kung wala yung mga support system ko, especially without my parents. Hindi ako makakarating sa pagiging magna cum laude. And I am very proud of them because with them, I became a magna cum laude.
Ayun. Tubtub ano ka nga nakaturog na?
Yun na nga po yan. Kasi aside from academics, isa rin po akong student active leader, naging president, naging SSC secretary, and siguro natutulog ako hadto mga 2 AM na or mga 1 AM. Tapos gigising ng mga 5 or 6.
Pero lang oras.
Ganung oras. Siguro,
Tulo.
opo. Nagdanakaw na lang ako ng oras kapag may vacant time. Nakakatulog naman ng 1 hour or kung ano, 30 minutes. Pero nakaka-enjoy po.
Taga din ka, Raymond?
Taga Barugo po ako.
Barogo din ka, Barogo.
Barugo Leyte po.
Basta
San Roque po.
Barogo, okay. Hino nagpili ng kurso? Nagpili?
Actually, it is my choice kasi
Oo.
bata pala gusto ko na magtutdo. So bagan,
Okay.
bisan gusto ko mag-accountancy, bagan niredirect ako ni God na dito ka kasi feeling ko mas madami kang matutulungan kapag nag-BS Ed Math ka.
Okay. Anong suportahin mo ng DOST?
Yun na po. Aside from financial incentives na syempre talaga nakakatulong haamon to support our studies, ang DOST, gintagan kami opportunity na mag-grow as a person and as a professional. Kasi dito namon nabaruan kung ano ang mga skills na dapat namon i-enhance, i-improve, ngan ano at mga strengths, ngan weaknesses nga may ada namon na pwede namon pa magamit bilang instrument on how to change other lives as well.
Kanina ikaw nag-valedictory address.
Yes.
Anong unod? Summary lang yung valedictory address.
The main point po ng valedictory address is to remind us all that these achievements is not just solely for us. That these achievements is for every people, whether nagbulig imo talaga on physical or financial, nag-support imo. These are for them. Kasi bonus na talaga ito. Kasi yung pinaka-main goal ng ating life is to learn from it. And as we learn from it, we are able to give that to others so that others can learn from your story as well.
Next, ano ting plano?
Currently, I am enrolled at Leyte Normal University pa din, taking Master of Arts in Education, major in Mathematics. And as of this moment, nag-prepare po rin po ako for our licensure examination for teachers this September 29.
Ayan. Makarit kahit mathematics, pero marang kagay pag-English.
Yes po. Kailangan naman po kasi as a teacher, we should be a multi-literate, multilingual as well. Alam namin yung mother tongue, yung English as well as our language as well. Kasi parang in-embody ko na dapat if I will to communicate with other people, to communicate effectively, dapat alam ko rin ano yung language na sinasabi nila. Yes.
Hindi ka na mahabaruhan English language sa Elinyo ka na o high school ka pa lang?
High school pa lang po. Actually,
Nagtontoon ka na?
nagpa-practice ako sa hala, makuri man ngayon ini kay subject-verb agreement. Actually, noong part pa lang po ito, dama na ako ng mga mistakes and flaws. Tapos may bumulig ako na akong sangkay, yung buligan ni Iak na amoy ini, hasta naging matatas na ako mag-English, nakikita ako ng mga movies para mas ma-enhance pa niya.
Pero tayo mo intonation, di rin taga Barogo na.
Yes po. Actually po, I am from Batangas as
Okay.
Dito po kasi ako lumakiliwat. So,
Yun.
so yun na, pag uli namon nga ni, so kailangan mag-practice na liwat hinwaray or mag-aral yung hinwaray para kasi kapag pupunta ka sa isang lugar, hindi yung lugar mag-a-adjust sa'yo. Yung ikaw mag-a-adjust sa lugar. So you need to learn as well. So gradually naman po with the help of my friends, nakakaya ka na kunwaray. Pero hindi pa ganun.
Batangas ka nag-eskwela high school?
Yes po.
Okay. Ano yung mensahe yan mga estudyante? Mga nag-eskwela, mga scholar, o ngandiri eskwela, ron di mo mensahe.
The bottom line po, kahit scholar ka o hindi ka scholar, estudyante ka or nag-work ka na, enjoy life, enjoy learning from life. Even if there is challenges po na ma-encounter mo along the way, use these challenges as an opportunity. Be an optimistic one because kung gagamitin mo siya, yung challenges mo as an opportunity, it will give you the time to know yourself. And as you know yourself, mas mapapadali yung life mo. Kasi what makes life exciting is challenges. And these challenges mold us to a better person, better than yesterday. And every day is an opportunity for you to grow, for you to learn, and for you to discover yourself.
Ginhingyap mo nga maging manya cum laude o bonus na lang ito?
Actually, noong una to, I want to be the first summa cum laude of Leyte Normal University. Pero sabi pa naman, hindi ibibigay lahat ni Lord sa'yo. Pero yun, sabi ko, makagraduate lang pa ng may Latin honor. I feel blessed that time.
Pero anong grado?
My grade point average po is 1.31. That is, kumbaga, in our batch, that's top 6. In our college, it's top 3. And on our department, it's top 1.
Okay. Any other information pa? Okay.
Siguro, I would like to tell na lang po na as of this moment, give thanks to those people na naging part ng success mo, especially your parents, because not all the time your parents are there in your side. Hug them, say thank you to them, express how you love them, because alam naman natin na lahat ng ginagawa natin is para sa kanila. And we wanted to experience our dream life with them. Kasi aanhin mo yung pinapangarap mong buhay kung wala na yung taong pinaglalaanan mo ng iyong pagsisikap. So, whenever have the chance, hug your parents, tell them you love them, tell them thank you so much.
Alabang at chik. Mga kaaksyon, ni Raymond Negruz, han Barugo, niya kurso Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics sa Leyte Normal University. Batang Report, Jimmy Angay-Angay.